Welcome everybody. So today we are going to try this IIT Mains chemistry question. A water sample has ppm level concentration of following anions: F minus equals to 10, SO2 minus 4 equals to 100, and NO3 minus equals to 50. So we have to find is the anions that make the water sample unsuitable for drinking. So the correct answer to this question is only F minus. Let's see why. The maximum limit of nitrate NO3 minus in drinking water is 50 ppm and its source is fertilizers. If the maximum limit is increased in water, it will cause methemoglobinemia, also called blue baby syndrome. SO42 minus, the maximum limit of sulfate according to WHO is 500 ppm. SO42 minus. Excess sulfate has laxative effects. F minus, the maximum limit of fluoride is about 1.5 ppm. Its higher concentration converts enamel to more harder fluoropatite. Concentration causes brown mottling of teeth, and high concentration are harmful for bones and teeth. So the concentration of fluoride should not be more than 1.5. In this case, it is 10. So fluoride makes it unsuitable for the water to be consumed.